Assalamu Alikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share you very amazing, delicious Middle Eastern sweet dessert that is Ali, and it's very popular to make during Ramadan. Ramadan are coming over and we all Muslims around the world are waiting for it great. So don't forget to note down this amazing, delicious, yummy recipe in your notebooks and to prepare it during Ramadan. First thing first, I took here puff pastry sheets. You can use here croissants as well if you have, but I'm using puff pastry and I bake them according to packet instructions. Once it's done, it's super crispy. I'm just going to crush it. If you are using croissant, you are just going to make very small pieces of croissants, and for the puff pastry, just crush them into small pieces. Now in a separate pan, I am adding here 1 liter milk, full fat, full cream milk. In this I am adding 1 cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity of sugar according to your taste. Here I am adding vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then I am going to cook it on low flame. I'll cook the milk until it reduces only 15%. Now in a separate bowl, I am taking here 1 packet of cream. In this I am adding condensed milk. You can use whipping cream and whip the whipping cream until the stiff peaks form and just add the condensed milk. Okay, here I have mixed nuts. I'm being lazy and I'm not going to chop them, but you can just chop the nuts as you like. Use the nuts according to your choice. It's completely up to you. I'm going to use here raisins, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, etc. Now let's assemble everything. You can use 1 big bowl. Here I'm using a small 1/6 container bowls, and in this I have added crushed puff pastry, nuts, mixed nuts, give everything a good mix. Now here I am adding milk. I'll divide the milk equally in all my bowls. And yes, if you are new here, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll be posting more amazing Ramadan recipes in coming weeks. Now add your cream here. If you have whipping cream, I recommend it, so please use it because I recommend it. You can use whipping cream or just the cream as I did. Now here I have pistachios that I have finely chopped, not chopped, like I made the powder of pistachio. I made powder of it, and now I am going to garnish it on the top. You can do it now or you can do it once it's done in the oven. It's completely optional. Now put them in the preheated oven. Please make sure we are not going to bake it. We are going to just use the griller and grill it until it gets the marks. Once they get more beautiful marks on the top, remove them from the oven, and I'm going to garnish them again with the pistachio powder. You can garnish them just only this time, not like me as I did twice. And then on the top I'm adding a cute little rose spreads, and they look just amazing. They look just fascinating and they're just amazing, I'm telling you. And this dessert is just perfect for any time, before or after Ramadan, in Sahur or in Iftar, anytime. Serve it to your guests. They will love it and you will love it. Enjoy it cold or warm with your friends and family, and do let me know if you like it and what would you like to see next. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.